An electric motor is a device that converts electrical energy into mechanical energy using electromagnetism and magnetic fields. A basic electric motor operates by applying an electrical input or electricity in the form of volts and current to produce a mechanical output in the form of speed and torque. Electric motors are utilized in cars, power tools, household items such as refrigerators and microwaves, and larger industries such as power plants or factories. To power the motor, an electrical current is sent to the windings of the stator and possibly the rotor.
The stator windings are a series of copper coils wrapped around an iron core, which creates an electromagnet with current running through the coil wires and produces a magnetic field within the coil. The rotor, which is connected to the motor shaft, is either a magnet or another electromagnet and generates a surrounding magnetic field as well. A time-sequenced current in the stator coils creates a moving magnetic field near the surface of the rotor. The magnetic field of the stator interacts with the magnetic field of the rotor to produce a torque on the rotor, causing the rotor and shaft to rotate, thus creating mechanical energy. This rotating mechanical energy allows electric motors to be prime movers and carry a load.